Well, good morning, June. How are you, honey? How's Junie today? Hi, Junie. You look so precious. Yes, you do. What a good girl. Hi, lovely. Oh, Scout. He likes to mess with all the kitties on the path. Let's see who else is here. Scouty. Hi, Kate. Good morning. Look who's here, Katie and Gina and OG. Hi, you guys. How you doing? Where's little Wendy today? Where's our Wendels? Noisy. Hi, guys. Nikki, good morning. Hello, pretty. Such a pretty girl. Where's Wendy this morning, you guys? Oh my good orange kitties. She's probably scared by that noise. She's pretty. There she is. She's hiding back there. Wendy!